Okay, we're at the museum now. You can see it's quite high here. Wow, isn't that something, Chris?
Yeah.
These were working till way late at night, and the guy goes, I don't know how they're still working, but the batteries have been underwater for hours and hours. But maybe it was sealed that good that it finally got that high. And, but yeah, you can see that it just puncturing that building right over.
Well, I better get going, Steve.
You know, as the water gets up, it might go up over. I could probably help you on the way back. Yeah. You could probably come down the road if you're a little higher. You know where the highest spot seems to go here? Actually, I'm probably on it right now. Like,
It's 1 o'clock. Water has come up quite a bit since we've been here. We're out of the water now, we're all dry. Did a bunch of work that we could. The water is still rising a little bit. Alright, we're inside the depot now. You can see it's roughly about a foot of water in here. Hey Skip, shall we sign the guest register? Yeah. Tom, we're in here during the flood. You can see about how high the water is. I'll just glance out over here. You can see that's the picnic area. Okay, we've gotten into the gift shop. Just going to kind of show you what it looks like here before we're going to move some of this stuff up the higher. so. Watermark here, about 1210 on 61008. Okay, there's Skippy. We've picked up everything that was still dry. All the wet stuff we are just going to leave because it's so they know what's wet. But we were able to get in here just in time for some of these engines and trains and stuff. Got a what? Okay, we're going to put the stick on in here. Okay, right here.
8 inches.
About 8 inches right there. Okay. All these books under here were already in the water, so there's nothing we could do about all this stuff.
Well, Scotty, I think the water's kind of holding its own right now. It doesn't seem like it's going up.
Alright, we're in the office area here. The bottom drawer had some radios in it, and we just got it up on a chair here to about 4 inches of water in the basement of the office here. This is Sealy Creek. We're almost to where we want to go, but run by Rock Springs. This is the road going into Rock Springs.
They gotta be completely underwater. No wonder they get so much water in. Because the river runs back in those trees over there. And it goes back over by the mill there. Way back over here, that's the river.
Wow. This farm is completely underwater.
Yeah.
We were on, what's this road, Skip?
Golf course road.
Golf course road. Yeah, you can see that one is flooded too. So, all right.